I'll do a quick demonstration how to clean a vintage bike light. I picked up on eBay. As you can see, the metal's all rusted. The chrome's tarnished. The best way that I've found to do this is using aluminum foil and Coke. You want to be careful not to scratch your lens, damage any of the other parts in it, the electrodes. But all you do is just take your aluminum foil. What I do is just put a little Coke on it like that. I guess it causes some kind of a chemical reaction, and you just rub the light, rub it down back and forth, start scrubbing it, and you'll see it'll start changing. You can see the color of it starts cleaning it up really nice. I'll show you. Do that. I'll wipe off that area. See the difference? Really nice compared to that, what it looks like. Works really well. And it don't really scratch it either. It gives it a nice shine back to the chrome. Thanks for watching.